bad ass spit near. See if you can control him. Yes, wait. Me say, a long time, me say, you get through, with a yellow palm, me not hear it, but me glad. If you get through, me well want you come here. Just for the experience, just for the fact of the house building. Just for the fact of showing off, putting people down, and calling people to come and assist you. That not there. I'm going to see if you have enough money to live pan, to pay your house bill in Jamaica, because you have to stay at Jamaica said way, you have to go pay a bill at Jamaica said way, because if you leave somebody in the house down there, unless you have to rent it out, and knowing you not rent out for your sitting them. So you have to go pay a light bill at Jamaica said way. You have to go pay a disability assistance because you have to go leave somebody in there, and them those people look like they not work. So you have two places to go pay for, whether rent or mortgage or whatever you have to go pay for. I remember saying you live with them the daughter there, if you know their attitude. And as far as I'm concerned, you and them not have a good relationship. You understand? So, nobody lie. So you will see. Because them pit already done Americanized and they a long time and I grew up with you. So let me see if you can call them the girl there. Come carry this, come give me and carry that, give me and carry that, give me for them I live with. Me well want you come. And me want you come open up kitchen in your house. Like Jamaica. And don't register something. And see how the haters then call. How the haters then, how inspector live in your house. Me say, I want, me say, I will want you come and see. I long to watch my Jamaican blogger and not your Donna name anyone is the same. You're lucky. You're lucky. If she never over there, I said people and I drop her word for me. Her name soon to call, me not ask you. She soon be non-relevant about you. I must say I run things about you. Fear life is boring. Nobody know why you about no ass cake. Me have, you know, see my life over here. Pure motivation and inspiration and upliftment. You know, see. Don't she so she lucky her name is being called. Lucky her name has been called. I mean I keep it alive. Because her blogger them now keep it alive. So she should thank me. She should thank me very much to acknowledge her. Because she not said nothing. Nobody know why you but no ass cake. Nobody know why here she go in her front of her dresser and inside her passageway and Maglan come out. So she should be very glad I am still keeping her name alive. You understand? And the rest of people them. Because for your page boring. Boring like a mango soul. Boring. You know see your master like, you know see your master festive. You know see your page festive. You know see over YouTube. You know go on 300 page and hear me talk about me. You hear 300 that talk about she? Do you see the festivity? You see her name a drawing a blood clot 900,000 people on page? You see her name a call? The only one name draw them the blood clot, the out your Master Campbell. You see her name at bringing the dividends to them pocket? Not a pussy clot. Nothing. With fear and name, no money in draw. You understand? Not a money, nah draw upon she. With fear and name, not a blood clot money paycheck week. Week. What a way you come over here enough. Let me see it. Malande. I hope I wrong somebody. Has she name so? Let me see. She ban. She chat too fucking much. She not have no points over here. Anybody who is that a members only, don't put one raw statement by you. You don't have no privilege. Stay in the Ross corner. If you are not a members only, or a secret watcher who the pan top watch me for years, don't put one blood clot nothing about you. Else me ban you. You hear me tell you? Don't put one Ross up here with dark in truth. The truth it is. I keep her alive. She don't, her life is boring. I am the only one right now giving the movie scene. Then I wish Jamaican blood clot girl is come out and get a place and check yourself in a hotel. A big blood clot deal that. I tell you. A big deal. So them channel is boring. Motherfucking boring. They ain't got no life situation to give. What kind of story? Them need to go and sing Mercy. Me ban the wrong person. How you say? How me supposed to ban? You ban the wrong person and somebody. Hold on. Then how me supposed to ban? How me supposed to ban Violet? Me go hand ban somebody there. Me go back in there bad. Eh? Then how me supposed to ban? So now you comment to the person. I'm press by your name. Are you missing comment to the person but up, you know? And you're commenting about I mean that's why I'm ban the person, you know. How who supposed to get banned? Who supposed to get banned? Hold on. Are the one when named Tracy Fear? Are the one is supposed to get banned? Are she supposed to get banned? Who? Oh. Are that one, yeah? Okay. Yeah, she gone too. Well, me go search for the other one. Yes, me ban she know. All right. Yes, me think. Okay. Because me see your comment on the bottom. Me hand ban the other one. That I if me know if Ross find it. But it don't matter because she can always come over to Marcia Campbell page. Remember say this is just the whatever page. So she can always come back over Marcia Campbell page. Yeah, but I will try to figure out. Let me see if me can hand ban her. Hold on. Let me see. All right, let me see if when we finish. Let me see. All right. Let me see, friends.